Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome back to How To, or if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our content. Today, we're diving into a topic that many have wondered about: how to impress a girl. It's important to remember that impressing someone should come from a place of authenticity and respect. So, if you're ready to learn some tips to make a positive impression, let's get started. Be yourself. The foundation of impressing anyone is to be authentic, self-confidence, believe in yourself and your worth. Genuine conversation, be yourself when you talk to her. Authenticity is attractive. Good grooming and hygiene. Taking care of your appearance can make a positive impression. Personal hygiene, maintain good hygiene and grooming habits. Dress well, wear clean and appropriate clothing that makes you feel confident. Show interest. Showing genuine interest is a great way to impress. Listen actively, pay attention when she talks, ask questions, and show that you care about what she's saying. Compliments, offer sincere compliments that highlight her unique qualities. Be respectful. Respect is key in impressing anyone. Respect her boundaries, always respect her personal boundaries and consent. Treat others well, be courteous and respectful to everyone you encounter. Shared experiences. Creating memorable moments together can leave a lasting impression. Plan fun dates, think of creative and enjoyable date ideas. Shared interests, pursue activities you both enjoy to build common ground. In the end, impressing a girl is not about flashy gestures or trying too hard. It's about being your authentic self, showing respect, and building a meaningful connection. Remember that everyone is unique, so it's essential to find someone who appreciates you for who you are. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and share your own tips or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and remember that the right person will be impressed by your true self. Thank you for joining us today on How To. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.